everyone, welcome to today's video, and I'm back again with a new update kind of video for all of you. And I know that this news must be really heartbreaking for all the armies around the world. So let me tell you the whole story. I know that all of you guys are aware of this fact that our Jungkook has an elder brother, Chon Jung-hyun, who is the CEO of Six Guys, a clothing and accessories company that he has started recently in 2021, and Jungkook is the executive director in this company. In a report shared by a Korean news agency, Biz Hankuk, that our Jungkook had already resigned from the position of internal director of his brother's company Six Guys. According to company register, which is a public record, showed that Chon Jung-hyun found Six Guys in May 2021. Jungkook's brother's company aims to manufacture clothing and accessories, and it also launched a brand called Graffiti on Mind in early September. And the brand was meant to convey the idea of rebellion yet also show quality art. I don't know about the logo of the company, but it is something that presents a young and fresh design featuring diagonal lines. Jungkook has been seen wearing his brother's clothing line several times, from posts on the BTS members' Twitter account to live broadcasts. Now look at these two pictures of JK when he was wearing a loose-fitted grey and purple shirt, and we couldn't even realize that it was from his brother's company. When I watch all the pics, I also remember the moment when Jungkook was doing a live stream before his birthday on V-Live, when he was wearing a deep grey long sleeve oversized version, but I couldn't realize that it was from his brother's clothing line Six Guys. Some netizens believed that JK was involved in false advertising, also as Twitch Kwangu. Now let me explain this. This is where a celebrity doesn't explicitly state that product they endorsing is a paid advertisement, especially when the product appears in content uploaded to social media. And in the end, our Jungkook has resigned from his position as an internal director at Six Guys on September 14th. Hive Level didn't make any comment on the matter that our Jungkook is dealing with. The news agency Biz Hankuk also presumed that the reason of Jungkook's resignation was he felt burdensome after netizens pointed out that he was giving the product exposure while not revealing that he was also the director at the company Six Guys, which is his brother's company. Being an army myself, I can totally understand that Jungkook must be feeling really embarrassed. That is why he had given his resignation on 14th September. Don't worry Jungkook, we believe in you that you will never do anything to let us down because you love your army to the moon and back.